Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make the best canned tuna. First, select premium tuna, ideally packed in olive oil for a richer taste. Next, ensure you drain the tuna thoroughly to prevent a watery salad. Then, chop your fresh vegetables like crisp celery and finely diced red onion. Finally, whisk together a simple, creamy dressing using good quality mayonnaise, a touch of Dijon mustard, and a squeeze of fresh lemon juice. This foundation sets you up for success. Now, let's combine everything for that perfect tuna mix. Gently flake the drained tuna into a bowl, being careful not to mash it too much. Add your finely chopped celery and red onion. These provide a wonderful crunch and a hint of sharpness. Stir in some fresh herbs like parsley or dill to brighten the flavors. Then, pour in your prepared creamy dressing and mix until all the ingredients are evenly coated. This ensures every bite is delicious and well-balanced. To truly elevate your tuna, consider some flavor boosts. A tablespoon of briny capers or chopped pickles can add a delightful tang. For extra richness, mix in a diced hard-boiled egg or some creamy avocado. Once everything is combined, cover the bowl and chill your tuna salad in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. This allows the flavors to meld beautifully. Serve it on toasted sourdough in crisp lettuce cups or alongside your favorite crackers for a satisfying meal. For storage, keep any leftover tuna salad in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days to maintain its freshness. Don't be afraid to get creative with your seasonings. A pinch of smoked paprika or a dash of curry powder can introduce exciting new flavors. And speaking of easy, make sure to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals. You can also transform any remaining tuna into a warm, gooey tuna melt or a refreshing pasta salad for another meal. Enjoy your perfectly crafted tuna.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.